American investment fund 777 Partners have been linked with a full takeover of Everton in recent days. The Miami-based firm have been one of a number of potential investors to have held talks with Everton owner Farhad Moshiri and his representatives in recent months. However, this week, a report in the Daily Mail claimed that 777 could acquire the club in a full takeover as early as next week in a £600 million deal, dependent on whether or not the club can retain their Premier League status. 777 Partners declined to comment when approached. Moshiri has been seeking to sell some of his 94% shareholding in the club in a bid to recapitalise the business. The latest report suggests that the Everton owner may well be ready to relinquish his full stake in the club and pass the baton to new owners, just months after telling the club's fan advisory board that the club wasn't for sale. For Everton, with a stadium bill that still needs to find the rest of its funding and a desire to recapitalise the business, sourcing investment to aid the business and bring on board additional expertise to help with their future growth ambitions is key. The club is understood to be valued between £450 million and £500 million, although that is a valuation that will be impacted by what happens come the end of the season and just what league the club will be playing in next season. 777 have ownership of teams in Italy with Genoa, Vasco da Gama in Brazil, Standard Liège in Belgium, Red Star in France, and most recently Hertha Berlin in Germany. All those deals closed have been for controlling stakes in the football clubs as they seek to build a multi-club portfolio. They have a minority stake in Spanish side Sevilla. Last month, the firm were reported via Bloomberg to have held what were described as exploratory talks with Newcastle United co-owner Amanda Staveley's PCP Capital Partners venture capital firm, with a view to PCP investing in the US firm's multi-club model, a model that Newcastle are exploring as a growth strategy. According to Bloomberg, potential investment from PCP in 777 may contain funds from the Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund, the owners of Newcastle. However, no deal was said to be close and talks were understood to be at a very early stage. Whatever happens, it's no understatement that securing an investment partner or new ownership is vital to Everton's future, regardless of what league they find themselves playing in next season.